Hello viewers, this is your tutorial on how to create Facebook campaigns using the Socio Publisher feature of Socinator. After opening Socinator, make sure Social is selected near the upper right corner of the app. Next, let's click Socio Publisher to bring us to the Publisher page over here. Let's click Create Campaign. Here, we can assign a unique campaign name or just go with a campaign ID. Under Post Manager, we have the option to create post. This Socinator feature helps to automate creating single and multiple posts on Socinator. To create a single post, select this one. So enter your post description over here. Let's say happy. Under Media, you can click the Media button to load images or videos. Let's say this one for example, and click Open. And it's automatically uploaded. Click the Settings button to configure individual post settings. This will open the Post Settings dialog box. Let's click Facebook. If you check the first one, Socinator will publish sell posts on Facebook with the comments turned off. Check the second one to publish your post as part of your Facebook story instead of on your Facebook wall. Finally, if you check the third one, Socinator will replace the actual post description with the text that you will type here. When you're satisfied with these Facebook post settings, let's click Save. So you can enter the post title here and the source URL. If you check Enable Facebook Sell Post, Socinator will enable the Facebook Sell Post for selling stuff over groups. So you can specify what you're selling, as well as the number and the location. So those are the options for creating a single post. You may also create multiple posts by clicking this. So if the multiple post button is clicked, Socinator will perform action of displaying a modal window on screen to set multiple posts. So click Create Post. Write what's on your mind. Let's say happy again. Import media if you want. Let's upload the same picture. Click Open. And settings, it's up to you. Click Save when you're done. Specify the post title as well as the source URL. And click Enable Facebook Sell Post if you want. You may also import from CSV by clicking this button. Select the right file and click Open. You may also delete everything by clicking the Delete All button over here, and it's gone. So that's the multiple post button. We also have another import from CSV button here. So if you want to import from CSV, click that button, select the right file, and click Open. Finally, you have a Create a Multiple Image Post. If this option is selected, Socinator will perform action of enabling access to create multiple image posts with web search URLs. So you can use file name as post description, or you may upload your own post description. Click that button and select the right file, then click Open. Check this box if you want Socinator to perform action of adding only unique posts. You may also upload from URL, so using this option, Socinator will perform action of loading images from web URLs. So we need a specific URL, let's say this one. Copy the URL, paste it, and then click the magnifying glass button over here, or the search button. And it will automatically load images from the URL that we have posted. So this is the first image. Click the next one and it will load the second image. So you may save to draft post list or save to pending post list. So that's it under Create Post. Let's go to the next one, which is Scrape Post. So this feature helps to automate scrape posts from Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter on Socinator and post them on given destination. So check this box if you want to scrape posts from Facebook. So it will perform action to scrape posts from Facebook groups, pages, own wall, and friends URL, then post the scraped contents and images to given destinations. So here are the formats for scraping posts from groups, pages, friend wall, own wall, and newsfeed. So for group, you need to enter the letter G between these symbols. Then enter the Facebook group URL. For page, it's the letter P, and then the page URL. For friends wall, it's letter F. and then the URL. For own wall, it's letter O. No need to enter the URL because it's your own account. For newsfeed, it's letter N. No need to enter the URL as well because it's your own newsfeed. Next, we have setting. So you can specify the number of recent posts to scrape on every operation. Next, you can specify the number of minutes on how you want Socinator to check for new posts. Next, we have share post. So this feature helps to automate share posts from Facebook on Socinator and share them on given destination. So you can use this if you have a Facebook account. So the first is to share posts from custom posts list. So if this option is checked, Socinator will perform action of share post from custom post list. You can add custom post lists over here. Next, you have share post from Facebook pages. So if this option is checked, Socinator will perform action of share post from Facebook page. So you need to add the page URL here. You can specify the number of minutes on how Socinator will check the page for new posts. Let's say 2 minutes. You may also specify the maximum number of posts to extract per operation. For keywords, Socinator will perform action of share post from page with the matching keywords. So add keywords in this area. Check this box to share posts depending on the maximum number of age in terms of days. You can also specify the number of likes of the posts. So share posts that have between, let's say, 1 to 4 likes. You can also specify the number of recent posts to scrape on every operation. Finally, you can specify the number of minutes on how Socinator will check for new posts. The next feature is RSS Feed. So in this section, Socinator will allow to create posts with RSS feed and post the same to assigned destinations. So feed URL details will allow to enter the feed URLs for extracting the feed details and post the same to the assigned destinations. Post description will allow to automatically generate the feed descriptions from the given feed URL. So we have feed title, feed description, feed URL, feed publish date. Under media, click the button to select an image or a video and click open, and it will be uploaded. Click the settings button to configure individual post settings according to different networks. Then you may type your post title and source URL here and check this box if you want to enable Facebook Sell Post. So let's just enter an example URL. Let's say this is the URL. When you're done, click the Save Feed URL button, and Socinator will save all existing posts to feed URL details over here. So you may edit the feed URL details by clicking this button. You may also delete the feed URL details by clicking this button, and it's gone. The monitor folder will allow you to specify the folder path. Click the folder button over here, and let's select desktop, for example, as our folder path, and it will be automatically added here. You may also clear using the clear all button, and it's gone. So let's create the same folder path again. So post description, similar to RSS feed. So you may enter the file name, the file type, the file author, file title, file subject, file creation date, file comments, file tags. Under media, you have the option to configure individual post settings from different networks. Click save when you're done. Here you can write the post title. Let's say happy. You may clear using the clear all button, and it's gone. You may also import from CSV or text file by clicking this button and select the right file and click open. So let's say happy again. So you may randomly pick title from the list or remove title once used. Enter the source URL and click this box if you want to enable Facebook Sell Post. When you're done, click Save Folder Path, and it will be saved in the folder path details over here. Click this button if you want to edit the folder path details. Click this button if you want to delete the folder path details, and it's gone.
Now let me show you how to automate advanced Facebook settings on Socio Publisher. On the Edit Campaign page, let's select Post Configuration.
So in this section, you will need to set up how and when the tool is going to execute the Socio Publisher actions. So the first configuration is job configuration. So under settings, you can specify the number of posts per day, as well as the start time and end time. So each post will be published to all selected destinations, including groups, pages, or walls. So you can specify the delay between posts, so let's say 5 to 30 minutes. You may also configure posting interval for each timer. Or you may also use random publishing time every day. Click this box if you want Socinator to publish all the selected destinations. You can add delay between publishing multiple posts, so between two numbers in terms of minutes. You may also specify the minimum and maximum number of posts. Click this box if you want to specify the start date of the campaign, so select the start date by clicking the calendar, let's say February 5 for example, and there's the time as well. You may also specify the end date, so let's say 7. So here you can specify the delay between each destination post, let's say 10 to 30 seconds. You may also select the days of the week to publish. So if you want to publish every day, then check all of them. Or if you don't want to publish on Tuesday, then uncheck Tuesday. If this option is checked, Socinator will publish the post from the first selected day. Next, we have other configurations. So under the settings, you can enable signature to add a custom text at the end of your posts. For Reddit users, you may check for the approval of your posts. You may also shorten all the URLs from the post. You can also allow publishing of text posts with links for Pinterest users. And for Instagram users, you can post as part of your story only instead of on the wall.
Let's click Advanced Settings. This will open the Campaign Advanced Settings dialog box. Let's click Facebook. Check the first one to navigate from the Facebook wall to a Facebook group when publishing, instead of directly visiting the Facebook group. Next, you can either use a simplified method for Facebook share posts, so this means posting the page post link instead of share, or skip simplified share when normal sharing fails. If you want to hide the post in Facebook groups, Facebook pages, or on your Facebook wall after publishing, click this box. Next, you have the options to turn off comments and turn off notifications for your new posts. You can also remove the location for sell posts in Facebook groups. Next, you can specify the maximum number of allowable pending posts in Facebook groups that require admin validation. If Facebook does not extract an image preview from a link, then check this box to refresh the page and retry posting. Next, you can remove the link preview from Facebook posts containing links. Next, you can skip image upload for posts with links inside. You can also enable automatic hashtags. So you can specify the maximum number of hashtags per post over here. You also have the option to hash by keyword. Simply type several keywords here, each separated by a comma, and they will all be automatically hashed. You can also hash by minimum word length or replace probability. Check the next one to delete the post after a specified number of hours. The next one will allow you to enable dynamic hashtags. This allows you to add hashtags even if the post already has hashtags, depending on your preferred configurations. So these are the configurations. You can specify the max hashtags per post and pick a percentage of the extra hashtags from the list of hashtags that you will type here. Same goes for this part over here. Next, you can tag friends on your Facebook post. So you can auto tag friends in posts, specify the number of users for each post, check this box to tag unique users for each post, or tag specific users in your post. So you can specify the minimum and maximum number of users for each post. In this area, copy and paste the profile URL of the Facebook friends you want to tag. So let's say this is the profile URL of your Facebook friend. You may clear using the clear all button, and it's gone.
You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Select the right file, then click Open. When you're done, click Save. You can also click the Select Friends button over here. A dialog box will appear, and you can select your Facebook friends by clicking under Select Friends. When done, click the Save button over here. If you're posting to Facebook pages, check this box to Post as Page option. So you can post as your own Facebook account or post as a Facebook page. You can type the Facebook page here. You may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click Save or click Select Pages. And you can select the Facebook page by clicking under Select Pages. So let's say Test Page, for example. Click Save, then click Save again. Finally, you can also post as same page. For example, post on Socinator page with a Socinator account. Aside from tagging friends, you can also mention users in the post. Specify the minimum and maximum number of users to mention for each post. Again, you can copy and paste the profile URL of the Facebook users you want to mention in your post. Let's say this is the profile URL. You may clear using the Clear All button and it's gone. You may also click this button to import from CSV or text file. Click Save when you're done. Or click the Select Friends button here. Then select them by clicking under Select Friends. Then click Save. Check the next one to specify the global cell post's zip code. Again, you may clear or import using these buttons, and when you're done, click Save. Finally, you can specify the minimum and maximum number of cell groups to be published at the same time. When you're satisfied with these settings, click Save. Now we can select destinations by clicking this button. Select the destination that we created, close it. Then let's click Select Accounts. Then select our Facebook account. We also have the option to click under Groups to choose a Facebook group or Pages and Boards. Let's click under Pages and Boards, for example. Let's choose Oreo. Click Save. We can also check Walls or Profiles. When you're ready, click Save. Then let's click the Save button over here. Success! The Facebook campaign has been successfully created and saved. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot and thank you so much for watching.